Hey, does your shirt color matter in your printing project? Yes, it does. And I'm going to show you how picking the right color or right set of colors can save you money in your project. To get a screen print project, one of the biggest things that you're going to have to consider is the color of the shirt. Now, you can have any color shirt you want. In fact, there are literally 2,000 styles of shirts out there. There's long sleeve, short sleeve, tank tops, crop tops, sweatshirts, hoodies, quarter zips, half zips, full zips, everything. But the real thing that you need to worry about is the color. If you're looking to save a couple of dollars, you might want to consider a slightly lighter color than a dark black or red or blue. And let me show you why. If you take this shirt, for example, this shirt, nice red shirt, this is a Next Level basic tee, and it's printed with a blue screen. Now that blue almost looks black if you look at it in a brighter light, but the thing is that this would have been a two-color print. We would have put an underbase under it of white to make that blue pop out. Now in this case we didn't do that for illustrative purposes, but that would be a normal setup. But if you get a lighter shirt, and I'm not saying a white shirt, but a white shirt is a lighter shirt, your colors really pop and do not need an underbase color. So when you're looking at the color of your shirts, you really need to think, am I willing to pay for that extra underbase, which does end up being an extra color? So if you have a 3-color design with a dark shirt, it can be calculated as a 4-color design because of that underbase. So if you're wanting to save that one color and save that little bit of money, be willing to go for that slightly lighter shirt. I do suggest whites, those are great. Grays are good, they are a good substitute for white. Yellows, lighter blues, those sort of things. So if you're looking for that really good color matching, white is going to be your best bet. However, if you really have to have the red, be willing to pay for that extra underbase to get the nice color pop. So, okay, so if you found this tip helpful, please subscribe down below, ding the bell, and if you really want to, why don't you tell us what your favorite shirt color is, and we can maybe start a little conversation on what colors would go good, and if you really need an underbase for that. So down below the comments, what shirt color you like, and ding the bell, and we'll see you next time.